beauties, welcome and welcome back to Stylisha. As per your vote on my Instagram poll, today I am going to give you a beautiful brown makeup look which will suit each and every Indian skin tone. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I am going to start with my eye makeup. That's because I am going to give you a bold brown eye look. So for that I don't want my entire face to get messed up. So first of all, I am using this my absolute favorite Sweet Beauty liquid concealer in the shade of 02. Every shade and everything will be mentioned along with the links, product links in the description box, so do not forget to check out that. So let's apply the concealer. Now I'm going to take my blender to blend it out. You can also take many blenders for the eye makeup, but I find it more convenient than that mini blenders. So after applying concealer and blending it nicely, I'm going to use my compact powder on it, which is Bella Vista compact powder, which I use always. Okay. So with the help of its own puff, I'm going to apply on my eyelids and on my eye area. So it's going to set the concealer which we have applied, and it will also create a base for our eye look. So now I'm going to start my eye look with Makeup Revolution palette. I will mention the palette shade number and everything in the description box, and you can see how beautiful brown and warm tones you can find along with this jet black eyeshadow. So I'll start with this brownish nude shade and apply it on my crease area of my eyelid. You can see this nudish brown color will define your crease area, and it will create a base also for your upcoming eyeshadow colors. You can already see the difference between both of my eyes. Okay, and I am putting zero effort on my brush. You have to be very careful with this color, with these dark colors, because the palette is super pigmented. Okay, again I want to mention that put zero effort on your brush, otherwise it will create a harsh line over here on the corner. Okay, don't drag it much, just keep it till mid of your eye. I'll make it even darker, so I'm going to take the same colors again, dust off the excess product, and start applying from the corner of my eye, like end corner, from the edges of my eye. I'll take this Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal, which I always use. Now I'm going to take the same brush and just smudge it. Now you have to take the same brush and take the lighter nudish brown color to smudge everything and combine it right. Now I'll do the same thing to the other eye. Before that, I'll apply this color, this beautiful golden copper color, from inner corners to center of my eye. I'm using my fingertip for much more control. So I'm starting with my center of my eye, okay, and then I'll drag it till inner corner of my eye. Now I'll take this Sweet Beauty Midnight Sparkle and take a little bit of this golden shade, golden pressed glitters these are. You don't need to put any extra glue for this. You can see how it looks. Just to dab that a bit. Now take the same palette and from there take this beautiful nude brown shade and rest of the extra product, apply it in your lower lash line. Now I'll do the same thing to my other side. Now I'm going to take the same kajal and apply it on my lower lash line. I'll draw a little bit of broad line. Now with the same brush, I'm going to blend it. Okay, smudge it off. You can see my eye makeups are done. And now I'm going to clean up the mess over here. So I'm taking this Garnier micellar water and I'll clean it up and start my base makeup. Going to start my base makeup. For that I'm taking this Urban Botanic moisturizer and apply it on my face. So take a generous amount of moisturizer always before starting your makeup. After applying the moisturizer, I am taking this NY Bay Blurring Primer. It is a silicone based primer, best for oily skin. We will directly start applying our foundation. For my foundation, you all know that I take this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, always in the shade of 128. So I'll take a few drops of foundation. With that, I'm going to add this Swiss Beauty Liquid Highlighting Illuminator in the shade of 05 Coppery. After applying the foundation, I am applying this Swiss Beauty concealer, which I have applied before also, before doing my eye makeup. So I am going to take the same concealer, apply a bit for highlighting my eye points. After applying the concealer, I am taking this Glamorous compact powder and with the help of this kind of fluffy brush, I am going to set my under eyes. I'm going to do my eyebrows. So for that, I'm taking this Blue Heaven Brow Perfect Definer Eyebrow Enhancer. This product comes with a enhancing color in dark brown and a eyebrow brush on the other hand. So both of my eyebrows are done. You can see I have drawn a bold eyebrow look. Now I'm going to take this Miss Claire Shape My Face, Shape Your Face palette, and with this palette you get a blush, contour powder and a highlighting powder. Okay, so I'll start with contouring. So take some contour powder, dust off the excess, and for contouring you have to start from the area your ear starts. Okay, from this area. And it will drag it's a line like this and this till your mouth, but don't come till this. You have to stop in the mid of your chin. You can instantly see the difference between this cheek and this cheek, and it looks more sharper and thinner. Now apply the same contouring powder to define your jawline. Take my puff and take a bit of highlighting powder. You can see it's almost at the end, and clean up this area. For the nose contouring, I'm using my finger because now I'm going to take this highlighting powder and draw a straight line down to my nose. You can see how pointy my nose looks. Okay, and I'll do the same cleanup on the each side. Okay. Now on the same brush, I'm going to take blush, dust off the excess product, and going to apply. And while applying, do not forget to smile. For the highlighting part, I'm going to take the same Sweet Beauty highlighter and apply it on my high points. Going to apply Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Now after applying mascara, finally I'm going to apply my lipstick, and for that I have taken these two lipsticks which I'm going to use together. First is this Blue Heaven Intense Matte Lipstick in the shade of Chocolate Swirl 307, and it is a beautiful reddish brown color. With this I'm going to mix Studio West lipstick in the shade of Matte MN35. So this is my final look which I have created today. I hope you will like this beautiful glowy brown look. You can also try it on yourself, and if you have liked the video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and do press the bell icon so that you do not miss any kind of notification of my channel. Please share it with your friends and family and share a lots of love to me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.